Hi, my name is David. I'm an Irobot Field Marketing Representative. Today I'm going to go over the Roomba 675 Robot Vacuum. The Roomba 675 is a great unit and a great fit for anybody who's looking at keeping their floors clean. The Roomba does work great on carpeted flooring, rugs, and even hard floors. Let's go over some key features and benefits of the Roomba 675. One of the key features of the 675 is a 3-stage cleaning system. This system allows the Roomba 675 to clean everything from small dust to large debris with the patented system. This Roomba comes with 2 multi-surface brushes that will grab everything from small dust to large debris from your carpets and your floors. The first brush will loosen and lift the dirt, while the second one pulls it in to be suctioned up. Now what we have here is the edge sweeping brush. This brush is specially designed to help remove debris that's alongside your walls, but also in the corners of your homes. It'll push all debris outside of those elements and into the cleaning path of the Roomba. Irobot's patented dirt detection sensors will recognize when an area is just a little bit dirtier and will concentrate in that area a little bit longer. Now this Roomba does come with iAdapt navigation. It's a reactive navigation system that's using its intelligent sensors to help guide the Roomba around furniture. As you can see here, the Roomba is moving around the legs of the chairs here. The sensors also are allowing the Roomba to make 60 decisions per second to adapt to its home, but also to help clean your floors a little bit more thoroughly. With iRobot's simple operation, all you have to do is press the clean button and watch your Roomba go to work. You also have the option of doing that same functionality straight from the app on your phone. Now let's talk about the Irobot Home App. You have control over the way you clean your home at your fingertips. So you could create schedules, routines with the touch of a button. Let's go over how to schedule. If you scroll down, you can see the scheduling option. Select that. As you see here, I already have Monday, Wednesday, and Friday for 9 a.m. So let's schedule different times for different days. So I'll choose noon. And let's choose here opposing days, Tuesdays and Thursdays. I'll have the whole week covered. Once I select that, I add it, and you'll see it pop up. So my entire week now is scheduled out. So the Roomba 675 can also give you suggested cleaning schedules, and it's all based on cleaning habits and busiest times. So if you are consistently cleaning at specific times, it'll give you recommendations on when to set up a schedule. On top of that, it'll also even give you recommendations on things you might not even think of, like extra cleaning during pet shedding seasons or even allergy seasons. Another great feature of the Roomba 675 is that it's a connected device. So it's compatible with Amazon Alexa. You could use different voice commands to control the Roomba. Here are some of the examples. So it's as simple as saying, start, stop, or dock your robot. So your Roomba will learn your home's unique cleaning routines and can save them as favorites in your app for easy access. Favorites will also allow you to send your robot out on shorter cleaning jobs with just one tap. Lastly, we have triggers. Using IFT, your robot can communicate with your connected home by connecting to your smart door locks, your thermostats, or any other selected device you have connected. Another great example here would be if you had an Ecobee smart thermostat. You could have the thermostat turn on an hour before you get home. That would trigger the Roomba to start. So when you got home, you'd have a cool home, but also have your floors vacuumed. So this concludes my video of the Roomba 675. Thank you for watching.